Welcome to Phoenix Blue Designs and Travel, and I am on the Celebrity Edge. This is room 8233, and I will be giving you a room tour. So let's start out in the bathroom. And it's pretty spacious for a ship cabin. So of course you have the sink, you have the towels, facial tissue. It came with soap, a scrub soap, body lotion, hand sanitizer, 2 glasses. Don't know what they use to clean those, so you know, maybe clean them yourself. Towels, additional towels, a trash can, and then the shower. And this is actually a pretty nice shower, and it is capsule. The head is adjustable, and you get the full size shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. And there's a leg assist bar as well. Okay, there's 2 hooks. I don't know if you can really call them pegs. 2 pegs to be able to hang your wet stuff from. And there are also 2 pegs on the back of the door to hang things off of. Okay, in the bathroom, there's a drawer underneath the sink that holds the hair dryer. And I believe, looks like a full size, yes, full size hair dryer. Extra tissues and extra toilet paper. And then for the shower controls, because I heard someone say when they turn on the shower that the water remain cold. Well, this is the temperature control for the shower, and this turns it on. So I believe you turn it back for on, and I believe you turn it back for hot or forward for cold, and it does have the degrees on there. Okay, this is actually very pretty art piece, but there's also storage, so very, very convenient. And all you have to do is open up both of these sides. Thank you, I was having a hard time. And this side too. And you'll see that you have all these shelves here for storage. It looks like there's a router in here too for your Wi-Fi. You'll get laundry bags and an umbrella. And we are Diamond with Royal Caribbean, and Celebrity is matching that to, thank you, hon, to their elite status. And with elite status, you're supposed to get a free bag of laundry. So you'll find out how that goes. So here is the closet.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen.
And it's a little small. However, as you can see, I fit a lot of things in here. There are 3 shelves. There's also a safe. And of course, you can store stuff on top of this unit. They do give you hangers, and there's the hanger bar here and another hanger bar over here. There's the robes that they gave us. There is also a bar, a luggage bar that I have the backpack on. And then I just went ahead and scooched in the one of the duffel bag suitcases. So it's fitting a lot of stuff in there. Then you have a generous size sofa, and I'm not sure if it turns into a bed. I think ours doesn't. And then you have the desk and console. The console has drawers, and these drawers have dividers, which I really like. So you can separate out clothes. This is not included with your room. This is extra. I tried to see if they could remove it. She'll see what she can do, but they don't really have another room where they can put it, so she'll see what she can do. Here's the room service menu, and I believe this is the order form that you put on the door. Now I believe for Celebrity, they've changed their room service policy, so it used to be included, now there is a service charge. Now down here is the refrigerator or chiller, and it is stocked. That is not included. Even if you have a drink package, it is not included. So I did ask the attendant to remove these items, and that she can do. She's going to remove those items. Here is the box where you can plug up your electrical items. They gave us a lot of different stuff to look at. So you have the spa menu, Park West. They explained to us about the elite membership and what you get with that. That I think I'll go over in a different video. They also told us where we will be eating, and we will be in Normandy. We have the early dining at 6 p.m. So basically arrival around 5:45. This is the welcome aboard package, and it has information on the excursions that are available. And we already have some excursions booked, and so they provided us this envelope with our excursions. They do have this full-length mirror, and if you pull out the chair, and the chair has a nice padded back, so that's good. You can actually move the table in in order to have more room if you don't need the desk. Thank you, honey. And then there's another little table that you can use next to the sofa. There's another little table next to the bed with the phone and the lamp. And I believe those are USB ports. Let's get in here and see. Yes, USB ports next to the bed, and a electrical outlet next to the bed. The bed looks very comfy and very spacious. I just love all the pillows that they give you. And there is the widescreen TV. Here is another beside the desk table with lamp. I don't see any, you see, oh, that does not move. Okay, I don't see any USB for that one. And then we have an infinite veranda. These are the doors to the infinite veranda, and they slide out and close up if you want to close that whole section off. But we will probably just leave it open. They have 2 comfy chairs padded with a small table, and this is the infinite veranda window. So I like that it gives you panoramic views. But you can actually drop down that top window so you can let in the breeze. Oh wow, we have a ship going through too. Yay. You can let in the breeze. And that didn't take long at all. And it wasn't, I don't know, people were saying it was really loud. It's not all that loud to me. Oh, look at that. Wendy's is on there. Yeah, look, Wendy's. Wendy's food truck is on that ship. So that is the infinite veranda. This is Celebrity Edge, cabin 8233. It is near the aft elevators, a very convenient location. So Thank you for watching Phoenix Blue Designs and Travel. Please like and subscribe, and I hope you get a chance to get out there.